Today I'm going to explore why I have no power. One of the obvious things happened. I got to the boat, it was dark, cold, and there was nothing. Checking all the sources, I found the DC worked, the AC didn't. Pulling the boat shore power, that is not good. That shows you melted the ground. Is typical 125 volt, 250 volt, 50 amp boat connection. As you can see, it's in really bad shape. The cable itself is old. I'm suspecting it's the same one that came with the boat back in 1983. So I'm going to cut this end off and see how bad the damage is. If I can cut it. This is not good. Okay. Bring out a bigger tool. Oh yeah, it's also 35 degrees out here, so it's not nice. Man, this thing is tough. No. That is not getting cut. I'm going to end up having to, I'm going to buy a new cable. This thing is just too sunburned and everything else that can be bad there is. So that goes. That is the fly bridge canvas, or what's left of it. I'm just keeping it in here as a way to store it separate from the other canvas so it doesn't get mixed up. Plus it gives me a chance to age it. Yahoo! So there's 50 foot of 50 amp. Even the shore connector doesn't look very good. Tell you what, that looks really bad. There's a ding over that one. Okay, when you look right there, that is bad. And the actual shore connector needs to be replaced. Let's see, this is a Hubble. So, goodness gracious. Let me pull that over. That does not look too hot either. It's strained. Insert and turn for sure. Yeah, you can't turn this thing at all. Let's see if there are manufacturing dates on this. There we go. Hubble shore power cable set. F64 Stow A. There's a possibility they did. No, they didn't put one on. saying they might have put a date on there, but no. So as you can see, that is one nasty old cable set. Wish I could say there was more to it, but that's it. That's gone. Now, there's online, you can buy these things for about $450 to $800 for the fancy ones with LED lights. So I'm going to look at those now.